Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed. It is Monday morning. It is time to get some eBay orders out. We'll talk about some eBay orders that are going out today. There's a pretty good many. I think I've got like maybe 20 things going out. Not a huge amount of volume, but again, I've got some pretty decent sales in here. You know, some a little bit higher dollar stuff, a couple of them. So the total is actually pretty good. I did go to estate sales yesterday. I had to go solo. Candace couldn't make it. And I bought one thing. So you know what? I don't want to just throw all the footage away. I'm going to put that footage, if you want to watch, if you want to come along to some estate sales and not really buy anything, I'm going to put that footage on my other channel, Garage Flips Live. I just don't want to put it here because there's not really that much action. But if you want to see it, if you want just the experience, it'll be there. But let's look at some things that sold over the weekend. All right, first thing is this Robin. There's a Hot Toys. It's in this box. I guess I'll probably ship it in this box too. But this is one of those Hot Toys figs. Sold for $144.99. So that was awesome. This of course was part of the $4,000 toy and collectible buy I did for my guy not too long ago. This is Skate 3. Where did I get this? I think this is part of the $500 buy I did a couple of weeks ago. $7.99 plus shipping on top for this. This is really cool. This is a DOA Cokes. I was saying it Cox before, but I think it's Cokes. At least some people in the comments are saying that. Actually, when I got it, they told us it was like a grate from a heater or something, like a heater door, furnace door or something like that. I didn't know what the heck it was. I just thought it was cool. They were asking $5 for it at the yard sale, and I offered 2, and they took it. I had no idea what it was. I showed it on the channel, and I think about at least 5 or 6 of y'all said, "Hey, dude, that is like a footrest from a barber chair." And sure enough, it was. I looked it up because usually when I show this stuff that I find at garage sales on these videos, I usually haven't looked it up, researched it, nothing. So yeah, it did end up being, thank y'all very much, it did end up being a footrest from a barber chair, and I sold it for $99.99 plus shipping on top. So home run on that one for sure. That was awesome. This is the Unit Complete Series on DVD. This is going out to a viewer. Hang on, I'm pulling it up. Okay, this is going out to Chris. Okay, yeah, Chris has bought a few times. Loyal viewer and valued customer. But Chris bought this for $29.99 plus shipping on top. Part of, yeah, it's still sitting here. I haven't touched it. Part of the DVD buy I did Friday, I think. So yeah, this one sale paid for the whole buy. So thank you very much, Chris. I really appreciate that. I'm going to be getting that out to you today with a couple other goodies. Let's see what else. Oh, this little Bose remote control. These I thought were going to be a little more valuable than they were, but still really good. Like I only have less than $1 into it because I bought like, I think 4 items that day for $6. Now I bought a glove for $2, and then I had 3 remote controls, I think, and something else. Oh yeah, a tape. Okay, so yeah, I have $1 into it. That's exactly what I have. And I sold it for $14.99 plus shipping on top. These 3 Calvin and Hobbes books, I paid 50 cents a piece for on Friday. So $1.50 into this little stack, and I sold it for $12.99 plus shipping on top. Each one is not worth much. Like, I see people selling each one of these books for $4 free shipping. So there's no way I could sell them individually. So I made a lot, and lotting stuff up, sometimes you can actually get more money than people are getting for individual items, believe it or not. I don't know why, but it does work like that. The other thing, and then I'm gonna pack this stuff up and we'll do another table full. The other thing is this Southland seasons 1 through 4 on DVD. This is going out to Keith, and Keith is a viewer too. He didn't leave a message or anything on the sale, but he did leave a message on, he already left a comment on one of the YouTube videos. So thank you very much, Keith. I really appreciate that order. All right, got all that stuff packed. Let's get another table full here. Well, I've listed 2 lots of videotapes now, VCR tapes, and I've sold 2. So these sold for $21.99 plus shipping on top. The shipping was like $9 or so. My pricing strategy there was kind of trying to get $1 a piece after fees, although really I'm not, because the fees on the shipping, I don't know, I'm probably going to end up a little bit below $1 per tape, but still really good return without a whole lot of work. So I don't know, I guess it depends on what your time is worth. These are still worth my time, so I like this. And they sell fast, like they sold within a week, which is really good. I have more that I need to put up this week. Another thing here is this Brett Favre pennant. This is really cool. Back-to-back MVP 95, 96. This is going out to Justin. So Justin, thank you very much. He said he needs it for his man cave. I got $14.99 plus shipping on top for that, so that was really good. I sold the a lot of LSU pennants the other day for $40 shipped, and then I got $14.99 for this one, and I paid $5 for all of those pennants, so that ended up being a really good investment there. Oh, this, if y'all remember a while back, I made a video called "This Video Will Make You Cringe." And in that video, like, it was a bad buy. I'll admit that now. It was a horrible buy. It really was. I paid like $300 and something, and a lot of stuff I haven't listed yet. By the time I sell through it all, I might make $50 if I'm lucky. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. It happens. But anyway, I listed this guy, Obi-Wan's Jedi Starfighter. This is one of the good items from that lot. I listed it and it sold within about 24 hours for $44.99 plus shipping on top. So that entire buy is not going to end up being great, but this recoups a good chunk of it anyways. These boots here, I paid, I think $2 or $3 for. I had 2 boots that were very similar. I've had them for a while. The size is not great. Size 9.5 wide. That's not a great size for a work boot, because there's a lot of kids that are wearing that size, you know. That there are some people that need that size of boot. I would like them to be a little bigger, but anyway, I did finally sell them. I got good money, $29.99 plus shipping on top. They're used, they're in good condition, but they do definitely have signs of wear, like on the toes. They are steel toe too. They're pretty cool looking work boots. So anyway, that was a pretty good sale. And then the other thing is, oh wait, 2 more things. Sold this bat boat by Polar Lights. It's a model. Sold that for $14.99 plus shipping on top. That sold really fast. That was from my guy, of course. And then the last thing on the table this time is this Louisville Slugger catcher mitt. I bought this at the church on, was that Friday? I think it was. Bought it Friday for $2 and sold it for $37.99 plus shipping on top. If I would have priced it at like $40, $45, I maybe could have got a little more money. Would have sat a while. I'm happy with this. Fast flip, get the money, move on. So that was awesome. All right, this is the last batch of stuff from the main account. Sold this Joker. This is a Sideshow Joker with accessories. It's got all the accessories and stuff back there under there. This got $149.99 plus shipping on top. This is a Batman Earth 2 New 52 figure. It got $19.99 plus shipping on top. This is... Didn't realize it when I was recording, but this was actually a viewer sale. Thank you very much, Doug. Appreciate the order, my man. This is a Sony AV receiver remote commander. $24.99 plus shipping on top. Remotes are good sometimes. And then I have 3 replacement parts for crossbows and catapults game. Total of $14.97 I got for these 3 little parts. I've got a bunch more. These are actually the first ones I've ever sold. I put that listing together, and that listing has been a big fail. It's been over a year. First time I've sold any of it. I've always threatened to go back and like just list it all together at once, but I just haven't had the time yet, or made the time. So anyway, I did sell something. $14.97 plus shipping on top for those 3 guys there. All right, last thing that's going out today is this little Batman Eagle Moss car in the case. This is not brand new. It's not in the baggie with the comic and all that, so I made those a little cheaper. This one is $14.99 plus shipping on top. So that is it. I do have an interesting package going out. Let me show y'all. So yeah, check this one out. This is kind of scary. Look at this address. It's going to China. And yeah, I have no idea what that says, obviously. So yeah, it's going out via simple export rate. The shipping was $23.95 on that thing. It's a $150 Joker fig that I'm shipping out. So this is definitely going to be one of the high. I can't even read the address, and I don't know if it's gibberish or if it's like a real thing or what. I have no clue. It just like looks like little pictures to me. So crossing my fingers. I bought insurance. We'll see. That is a risky one though, for sure. It'll probably work out, but if it doesn't, I will update y'all. That one, man, wow. Oh, also wanted to share, I got this cool mug in the mail the other day. Open up fun from your big box mart. And this is from Lisa and Jeff in Texas. And they also sent me out some of their cool little cards. So thanks a lot, Lisa and Jeff. I really appreciate the mug. I'm gonna display it up here in the cube with the other mugs. And I've had questions about like the Apple mug. That's not for sale. I bought that for me. I've also had questions about that fan right there. That's not for sale either. I actually used that. So that's gonna be it for today. Nice short one. Oh, well, I'll update Momentum board tomorrow because I'm not going to do it tonight. We have a little birthday celebration to go to tonight, and I want to go ahead and get this video uploaded before we leave. It's none of our birthdays. So anyways, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, y'all.